Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error that is 0x80070780. The file cannot be accessed by the system. Now if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps. The first step is to log in as an administrator. Now just check whether you are logged in to Windows 10 as an administrator or not. So to do so, just type in control panel in Windows search box, then click on control panel, click on user accounts, then click on change account type, and once you click on change account type you will see this page. Now make sure that you are logged in as an administrator. So if it's standard, then go ahead and change it to administrator and then click on change account type and then restart your computer and then log in as an administrator. In case the issue still persists, then perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, just type in system configuration in Windows search box. Now then click on system configuration, go to services tab, put a check on hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all, apply, then OK, and then restart your computer. Then the next step is to perform disk cleanup. To perform disk cleanup, just type in disk cleanup in Windows search box and then click on disk cleanup. Select the drive. By default it's C drive, so click on OK. Put a check on all the files over here. These are temporary unwanted junk files, so put a check and click on clean up system files, then click OK again. Now once the cleanup is once you see this screen again, just select all the files, then click on OK, then click on delete files and let the process complete, and then restart your computer and then check for the error message. Now in case still you are receiving the error, then you have to run this DISM command. So just type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then click on make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make a right click, then click on run as administrator, click on yes, copy this command. I provided the command in the video description, so you can get it from there. Then hit the enter key on the keyboard, let the process complete, and once the process is complete, restart your computer and then check for the error message. Same way, open PowerShell again for the second command, make a right click, click on run as administrator, click on yes, then paste the command, then hit the enter key, let the process complete. Once the scan is complete, once it's 100%, then only restart the computer. So let the scan complete, let it be 100%, then restart the computer. And the last step is to update Windows 10. So go to start menu, click on settings, update and security, then click on check for update, let the update complete, restart your computer. So one of the steps should definitely help you get rid of this error message. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.